Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechproNepal. Today, how to install the MasterCam for civil engineer architecture. First of all, we go to the setting, then Windows security. Click virus and threat protections and manage the settings. Turn off the real-time protection. Minimize this settings. Go to the file explorer. Check the folder download. Then extract the file. MasterCam extract the file. Okay, enter the password 123. Then wait a few times. Wait few minutes. After the complete all process, this software is for only 64 bits. So my PC is only 32 bits. So don't worry. If you have a 64 bits operating system, easily install this process, follow this process. So if you have any problem, please tell me in comment box. If you need your software application, please send the mail or send your message in comment box. I'll provide few days your link. Okay, so don't worry. Any software you have any problems, please tell me. Guys, this in YouTube channel, my channel is newer, so please subscribe my channels and share this video. If you like this video, please share. So this complete all the process. Then go to your file. Then check this. There is a few options. You check this the one options. Applications for English. There is the CP6 post processors applications. So only this click these options. So wait sometimes. Check. There is a show. So my PC is 32 bits, so there is a issue. So don't worry, there is nothing issue, only operating system issue, not other issue. So this is the one. There is just displaying. Check the correct files. There is, so this PC my 32 bits only, so don't worry, my PC is 32 bits. If you have a 64, only this software is work. So this is correct file. And first you read this note. There is a show MasterCam, install MasterCam 64 bits, right? So install all check this note and read carefully. Okay, read carefully. Then after you installing 64 bits in this all file is gonna copy all files copy paste in your C drive. there is a file locations, there is file locations, MasterCam file location. So that folders you just put there this folder, put there this folder. Put there. Don't worry, very easy process, not lengthy process. If you have any problems, please comment, and please, my dear friends, please like and subscribe. Please share this video. If you like this video, only share. Okay, please subscribe my channel, please. So thanks for watching, my dear friends. Please